In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, who was the host of the cooking show, The French Chef? Well, I give you a list of the option, and here's a list of the option. The very first option is Wolfgang Puck. The second option is Ina Garten. The third option is Julia Child, and the very last option is Gordon Ramsay. And the correct answer for the question is Julia Child. Well, the answer for the question, Julia Child. And here's a bit more information about the host. Well, the host of the beloved cooking show, The French Chef, was Julia Child. This program, which aired from 1963 to 1973, is created with introducing French cuisine to American home cooks. Julia Child's warm personality, infectious enthusiasm, and clear instructions made even complex dishes seem achievable. Her show's success paved the way for future food television and continues to inspire chefs today. Well, that is the answer for the question. Julia Child.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.